Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do banana hair mask, which is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. So I'll be using banana. I'll be using one full banana, coconut oil. I'll be just telling you all the things as I go. So right now I peel off the banana and I'm going to put it into my blender. Yeah, just the way you're seeing. Bananas are so amazing when it comes to hair growth. It tends to strengthen your hair. It is very healthy. It helps your scalp to stay healthy. So right now I just cut the banana just the way you're seeing, okay, so that my blender will be able to blend it very smooth. I'll be going in with some Greek yogurt is very also amazing when it comes to hair growth. Yeah, so for the measurements, guys, it depends on your hair. Yeah, like this one that I did, I had to use it twice because it was a lot. Okay, so just go by your hair, okay, how full or how light your hair is. All right, so I had to use this one twice, like I said, okay. And if it's remaining, you can keep it in the fridge, okay, for about 5 days to 7 days, then you can use it. All right, yeah, so I left the remaining one in the fridge and I used it after I used it within the week. Okay, so right now I'm going to blend it. Okay, if you're new here, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please subscribe. I added water. Subscribe, hit the subscription button, okay, press it, put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give the video use thumbs up and help me to share. All right. So guys, after I finish blending, this is how it looks like. It's very smooth. Okay, if your blender doesn't blend it very smooth, what you need to do is you need to sieve it. Get a cheesecloth, get a handkerchief, whatever thing you know you can use to sieve it, so that you can have a smooth banana recipe, so that your hair will not retain those particles, which will be very difficult for you to take out. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So it's so full up to the brim. Okay, you can see that I had to use this twice because it was just a lot. It was too much. So this is me here showing you how I apply this on my hair. Yeah, so my hair is already washed. Okay, right now I'll go in with this banana hair mask. Okay, its benefits are so amazing. It helps to strengthen your hair. It gives you healthy scalp. Okay, it diminishes dandruff. It enhances shine. It repairs damaged hair. If your hair is damaged, if you have breakage, always use banana. It helps to repair damaged hair. Banana hair mask helps to nourish your hair like crazy. Yeah, it is very good. It helps to maintain hair elasticity. It is a deep moisturizer. It helps to moisturize your hair. If you want your hair to stay moisturized, always use banana. Okay, it nourishes your scalp, nourish your hair. It contains potassium, silica and vitamin A, which are very amazing when it comes to hair growth. If you watch up to this point, I want to say a big thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe by pressing the subscription button, put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified.
Rachelshairstyle, Rachelshairstyle, got her love. It's on the beat, baby. Rachelshairstyle, na 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 na. Rachelshairstyle, are you in for? When you wish I was a Rachelshairstyle.
guys, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to use this my massage. Okay, I'll use this massage comb to massage my scalp. It is very good. You massage your scalp. It's also with blood flow, blood circulation. It is very soothing when you massage. Okay, so I use this to massage. If you don't have something like this, you can use your fingers. Okay, yeah, you can check some other videos, like just see the way I'm doing like this. You can also use your fingers, okay, to massage your scalp. It is also good. Okay, but if you can, just buy a massage brush. Okay, where whenever you need it, you use it to massage. All right, yeah. So right now I'll go and apply this same hair mask on the other part. Okay, I finish applying it on one part. See my hair, see how it is defining my coils. It's staying moisturized already. So right now what I will do is I'm going to apply on this other part which you guys are seeing, guys. Yeah, so I just continue the same way, the same method, like I go like this. All right, from the root, okay, to the tip of my head, just like that. All right, guys.
That's subscribe. I beg you, make it over strive. Bring it to your notice. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go inside Italy city. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go. Say, rachelshairstyle. YouTube, make you go subscribe to you. Leave me the block for you. Say what you will do. Rachelshairstyle. So rachelshairstyle. You know what's up. You get the style, you know. Rachelshairstyle. Rachelshairstyle.
My hair is already feeling amazing. Take a look at that. Yeah, it is already feeling so soft, so tender, moisturized. Okay, yeah, take a look at how this hair mask is turning my hair to. Yeah, most especially because I added also coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very amazing. It's also good for hair growth. Okay, so I'll go in with that again. I'll keep on massaging my scalp just the way I did for the other part, you guys. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. Guys, here I was just feeling my hair. Take a look at the back, take a look at the coils. Isn't it amazing? So I was just feeling my hair. All right, you guys. So I'm like, okay, let me show you guys. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just mat it into two, like before, after which I will come in with a plastic wrap. You can use a shower cap if you have one. You can use any wrap you have available. You can use any as in plastic wrap, or okay. So right now I'm going to be using this one. I'll just use it to cover my hair, and I'm going to leave it for 40 minutes to 1 hour, after which I'll go and wash. All right, thank you so much if you watch up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, ciao.
your style. Yeah, yeah, with your style. You got to love. It's on the beat, baby.